What's up everyone? Welcome to my first modification video for my brand new CFMOTO 450 SS. I'm excited to finally do my first modification after 2 or 3 weeks of owning it. I'm coming to the end of the break-in process. Of course, first modification is going to be a slip-on exhaust. So here's the bike here in this cramped little corner of the garage. This is a really simple project, so it's a good first one to kind of get your feet wet on this bike. You just have one bolt here for the exhaust hanger, and then this is going to be an Allen key here just to take this cover off, which will expose the clamp there to get it off, and it slips right off. Now the thing about this bike is it is brand new to the US. It's only been here like a month, so aftermarket parts are very limited. So like this slip-on I got, it's not even an official model. It's a Austin Racing slip-on, but they don't even make one for this bike yet. Now I contacted Austin Racing. I was like, I can't find this model anywhere. You know, what's going on? Like, I see people using it. Where is it? I can't find it. And they told me that it must be fake because they don't make one for this bike. So yeah, parts are very limited. You know, that's kind of how it is on a brand new model, but we'll see what if we can work with what we got. I got it off of eBay, so I'm assuming it's one for a different bike or something. I'm just very impatient and I wanted to try it out, so I bought it. So we're gonna grab our metric Allen keys and a wrench. Just looking at our tool list, we have a wrench with a 13mm socket for the hanger here, and then we're gonna have a 5mm Allen wrench. That's it. This is the clamp. That's gonna be a 13mm as well. So I'm gonna start by taking this cover off, just to get that out of the way. So you can see here on the inside, you just slide it down and it'll come right off. It has these 3 clips that hold that on there and just the one screw. I'm gonna go ahead and take this clamp off. So you don't have to take that completely off, just loosen it enough to where it'll slip off. That's plenty loose there. And then we're just gonna loosen up the hanger here. Now for this hanger here, the nut on the back is spinning for me, so you're probably gonna need to put a wrench on it. Slide right off just like that. No problem at all. Get this out. There it is, all wrapped up. Comes with the clamp. It comes already together. I think this might be the Austin Racing sticker. Yep, there it is. Aston Racing. It's gonna go somewhere on there. Probably something like that. So, yeah, let's get it on there. Fits on there nice. Very nice. All right, so as you can see, in total, 4-minute job, maybe 5. Super easy. It's solid on there. That's not going anywhere, but I might put a hanger on there just to have it, just to make myself feel a little better. You're about to hear the first startup.